Every year, more and more wind turbines are being constructed all over the world. Experts predict by the year 2030, wind power will be almost double what it was in 2020. With demand continuing to stream upward, manufacturers are looking for faster and more efficient ways to produce wind turbines. That's where our helical gear positive displacement flow meters can help. One turbine manufacturer was looking for flow monitoring systems that could be used in the assembly of the wind turbine blades. The client needed a flow monitoring system in the process of potting the blade components, as well as a separate flow system for assembling the blades together. SRZ helical positive displacement flow meters were recommended due to their superior ability to handle highly viscous and abrasive fluids like the adhesive being dispensed for the blades. For the potting, the SRZ was connected to a programmable logic controller, able to maintain a resin flow rate of 20 to 40 kilograms per minute for the two-component mixture, an accuracy of 0.5% resolution. The SRZs were also utilized in the dispensing of the adhesive that bonded the different components of the blades together. A similar PLC was used to ensure the meters were accurately dispensing the epoxy mixture evenly to each unit. In the past 3 years, the manufacturer has been supplied more than 200 SRZ helical meters, none of which have failed and have helped the manufacturer maintain several required certifications. Our meters continue solving flow monitoring solutions and saving time, money, and overall making operations more efficient. If you would like to learn more about similar applications or about our line of products like the SRZ helical meters, visit our website at awlake.com or contact a member of our team today.